More Americans have now died from the coronavirus in less than 2 months than in the entire 9 years of the Vietnam War, more than 58,000. But the United States crossed another threshold Tuesday, 1 million known coronavirus cases.
That is nearly one-third of all the world's known coronavirus cases. To put the enormity of that into context, the U.S.'s 328 million people is just over 4% of the world's population.
Asked Tuesday why he had previously claimed that coronavirus cases would go to zero, Trump said, "The experts got it wrong." He added, "I think we've done a great job in the sense that we were early, by banning China. We probably saved hundreds of thousands of lives."
Trump has also attributed the high number of cases in the U.S. to heightened testing and less transparency in reporting cases in countries like China. "We're going to show more cases, because we're doing much more testing," he said.
But testing in the U.S. is still not adequate or widespread enough to know who has the coronavirus. As of Monday, 5.1 million Americans had been tested. Experts say that's not nearly enough. One Harvard study estimates that the U.S. needs to start testing 5 million people per day.
Asked about the study Tuesday, Trump claimed without evidence, we will increase it by much more than that in the future."
Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute for Allergy and Infectious Diseases, said on CNN that the coronavirus task force is hoping that everyone who needs a test might be able to get one by the end of May or early June.
"It isn't perfect yet by any means," Fauci said, adding, "It isn't perfect, and we're not there yet, and we're not, but we're going to get there soon."
Coronavirus latest goings-on.
The coronavirus task force didn't hold a briefing Tuesday, but President Trump took questions at an event at the White House. Here's some of what came from that and other moving parts as it relates to coronavirus news.
Quote of the day.
Mayo Clinic had informed its VP of the masking policy prior to his arrival.
The Mayo Clinic in a tweet that was later deleted.
Latest confirmed U.S. case and death totals.
Other key coronavirus stories from NPR.
What to do when people don't practice social distancing. Intervening when you see someone not following social distancing guidelines has its risks, and online shaming often makes people dig their heels in more. So what are the best practices when it comes to being around people who are not following mitigation strategies?
San Francisco enlists a key Latino neighborhood in coronavirus testing. Researchers in San Francisco have launched Unidos en Salud, United in Health, a wide-sweeping effort to test every person older than 4 years old in a densely populated, hard-struck section of the Mission District.
Pence trips show challenges of returning to political normal. The vice president is playing guinea pig on 2 trips this week as a sort of barometer to see how political travel can restart from the coronavirus pandemic.